According to Thomas S. Monson, an American religious leader, graduation is not the conclusion of an achievement, but simply the ending of one chapter and the beginning of another chapter. As we gather here today to witness our long-awaited graduation, let us not grieve over parting ways. Rather, let us rejoice and be jubilant as we take to a new journey in life. Distinguished guests of honor, the most esteemed district in charge, Dr. Natividad P. Carag, Administrative Officer 5, General Service Ma'am Saiza Singapan, the very dynamic school administrators, active and dedicated mentors, our beloved parents, the extremely supportive barangay officials and GPTA officers, respected visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, we conclude our journey over a long and difficult, though I must say a well-traveled road. It's been a long trip, but this is not the end, fellow graduates. We embark on yet another road. And as we embark on that road, we can stride over it, dauntless and unafraid. For our alma mater has built each and every one of us a strong foundation that will never fail us. Before I bid adieu, on behalf of the graduates of Batch 2026, I thank everyone who contributed much for what we are today. We express our biggest thanks to our patient mentors for 6 consecutive years of bone education, guidance, and reaching for the top. To our dearest parents, to Mama Leia and Papa Erwin, your task is difficult and delicate, yet so great, you deserve laurels on your head. To our dear alma mater, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for molding us into knowledgeable, responsible, and disciplined youth of today's generation. To our guest of honor, thank you so much for sparing your precious time to be with us today to grace our graduation rites despite of your tight schedule in your work. Above all, I would like to thank God for giving me strength, courage, and wisdom to move on. When I felt sometimes like giving up, we praise you with faith and love. May you grant us more courage and stamina to continue our journey to the top of our goals. To one and all, I thank you.